Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro tips, tricks, and plugins. This is a channel to just enhance your Final Cut Pro skills. So if you're interested in that, consider liking and subscribing. On the screen here, we do have a website, www.b3-studios.com, where we have plenty of plugins. Some are free. Yes, some are free and some that you have to pay for, but just go check that out if you are interested and you want to enhance your video editing skills. Now, today we are talking about animating objects in Final Cut Pro. So let's get right into it. So here's a little Yachty clip that was cropped, and we're just going to try to recreate that. So basically what they did was they came here at the crop tool right here in the inspector panel. It just cropped it from the bottom, took some from the top, from the right, and some from the left. And what we're gonna do is, when you are satisfied with your crop, we are going to add keyframes to all of these. To the left, right, top, bottom, just add keyframes to all of those once you're ready and you're satisfied with your crop. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna move this a little bit forward. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames, and we're just gonna kind of shift this over here. And we're gonna go 5 more frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna exaggerate the bottom. We're gonna bring that up a little bit. And then we're gonna go 5 more frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can do the left. And after that, we can just push the playhead up a couple more, just right about to the middle. It just really depends on where you want it to be at. And I'm just gonna push the bottom back down. And then to end the clip off, I am going to push the left side all the way out. So once we play this back, we're gonna see some keyframe animations come into play. So once we play this back, as you can see, those keyframes are working. Now, if you want even more movement, like it was in the beginning of the video, we're gonna add keyframes to the position right here. So we can go about, a couple frames in, push it down on the y-axis about right here, and a couple more frames. And we can push it over here on the x-axis. And once we play that back, you can see the animation working. So it's really just up to you on how you want to do this. I'm going to show you another way how to animate, a more advanced way. Just because you guys are sticking around, I'm going to show you another way to kind of animate in Final Cut Pro to make it look even better. So, okay, so we have a clip of little Yachty's earrings right here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to just try to animate his earrings. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the clip, and I'm actually going to hold Option on the Mac. I'm not sure what it is on Windows, but that's what it is on Mac. And on this top clip, we're going to go to this retiming option, and we are going to press hold right here. And this little orange bar right here shows us where the hold is. So I'm just going to stretch that out and then break the clip. So we just got the hold clip and our regular clip here at the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is, to animate the earrings, is I'm going to go to the mask tool, gonna add this draw mask onto our clip that's been held. And we're just gonna zoom in and just try to get an accurate mask on his earrings. All right, once we got a pretty good mask, on his earrings, you can click on the bottom clip to see how rough it is. You can make adjustments with the feather. So I can feather this, and that looks better. You can always make it look even more better by, taking your time on the mask, but this is just a tutorial. I wanted to get this done quick. But anyways, I'm gonna zoom out, and I can really place this anywhere. And let's find a good place to place this. Let's place it right here. Okay, so in this animation, we're gonna add keyframes as well to this one. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add a keyframe to the beginning of the clip right here, the held clip. So keyframe right here, and we're just gonna make it start outside or on the bottom, on the complete bottom, so it's not visible. And we're just gonna move 2 frames, so 1, 2, and we're going to bring it up to 0, to its original spot. And once we play this back, there's the earring right there. But this kind of looks a little bland. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to add a directional blur to make it look even more realistic. So we're gonna add a directional blur, and we want to make the blur come up right here. So wherever direction is going, since it's coming up this way, we're gonna put the directional blur up this way. And we're going to add a keyframe to that as well. So as soon as it comes up, we're going to bring the directional blur down, so it'll seem like it's moving and it's in motion. So let's try this. So that's pretty cool right there. So to make it look even more realistic, we can kind of like duplicate these. So hold Option up to duplicate, Option up to duplicate. You can make as many as you want. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to stack these up on top of each other, or just do them randomly, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to stack these up. And for these, I can also even change the path. So I can come up here on this one that's the second held clip. Let me just press Command R so you will know that these are the held clips. And this is what I'm going to do. I am going to reset the parameter and make it come. I'm gonna make it come from the left side. So the second one's gonna come from the left side. So I'm gonna add a keyframe, move 2 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe, and go to 0. But with me doing that, I'm gonna have to change the directional blur. So I click on that, and since it's coming from this side, I am going to make the directional arrow go that way. So and we can change them for every single one. So that one's done. Now this one, we have to reset it. So reset the parameter, add a keyframe. We can make this one come from the top. It's a directional angle down. We can do the same thing for this one. We're gonna make this one come at a different angle though. We're gonna reset the parameter. See where this one is first. Okay, so it's right here. So this one's gonna be different. So we're gonna take this one, click on this transform right here, and we're going to make this one come at a different angle. So it's gonna come from like diagonal. And we're gonna add a keyframe. Go a little bit up in the timeline, about 2-3 frames if we want. Hit 0. Hit 0. And I'm gonna change the direction because it's coming at that angle. And as we play this back, we're gonna have animated earrings, about 4 of them. So let's play this back. So it's pretty cool effects. We can make these quicker if you want. So we can break it down, make it quicker, move them up, make adjustments if you want. Totally up to you. Do it however you want it. These are just tips to show you how to, animate in Final Cut Pro. So here's kind of the end result. If you wanted it sped up, like that. So that's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool effect, guys. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If this helps you out, please give me a thumbs up. Like I said, we will be uploading lots of content soon, so be on the lookout for that. And go check out our website, www.b3-studios.com, and get you a plugin or two that'll help you improve your Final Cut Pro skills. All right, thank you guys, and I will see you soon. Thank you.